Today's book is Dog on a Frog. We hope you enjoy it.
Dog on a Frog by Kess and Clara Gray and Jim Field. Dog on a Frog. "Hey, dog, get off the frog," said the frog. "But I like sitting on frogs," said the dog. "Frogs are squishy and squashy, and when you sit on them, they go croak." "You know the rules," said the cat. "Cats sit on mats, frogs sit on logs, and dogs sit on frogs." "Well, I'm changing the rules," said the frog. "From now on, dogs sit on logs, not frogs." "Really?" said the dog. "Really," said the frog. "Dogs sit on logs and cats sit on gnats." Ouch! "What will bears sit on?" asked the dog. "Bears will sit on stairs," said the frog. "What will slugs sit on?" asked the dog. "Slugs will sit on plugs," said the frog. "Slugs will sit on plugs, flies will sit on pies. Crickets will sit on tickets, and moths will sit on cloths." "What will leopards sit on?" asked the dog. "Leopards will sit on shepherds," said the frog. "Leopards will sit on shepherds, and cheetahs will sit on fajitas." "You're really getting the hang of this," said the dog. "I know," said the frog, "and that's not all. Gnus will sit on canoes, and pigs will sit on wigs, and boars will sit on oars." "What will whales sit on?" asked the dog. "Whales will sit on nails," said the frog. "I'm not sure the whales will like that," said the dog. "They don't have to like it," said the frog. "They just have to do it." "What will dragons sit on?" asked the dog. "Dragons will sit on wagons," said the frog. "Dragons will sit on wagons, mice will sit on ice, kittens will sit on mittens, and puppies will sit on guppies." "What will canaries sit on?" asked the dog. "Canaries will sit on fairies," said the frog. "Canaries will sit on fairies, possums will sit on blossoms, hens will sit on pins. Baboons will sit on balloons, and poodles will sit on noodles." "Poodles aren't going to sit on noodles," gasped the dog. "They are now," the frog smiled. "Hold on," said the cat. "If dogs sit on logs, and cats sit on gnats, bears sit on stairs, slugs sit on plugs, flies sit on pies, crickets sit on tickets, moths sit on cloths, leopards sit on shepherds, cheetahs sit on fajitas, gnus sit on canoes, pigs sit on wigs, boars sit on oars, whales sit on nails, dragons sit on wagons, mice sit on ice, kittens sit on mittens, puppies sit on guppies, canaries sit on fairies, possums sit on blossoms, hens sit on pins, baboons sit on balloons, and poodles sit on noodles. What are frogs going to sit on?" asked the dog. "These," said the frog. The end.